Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link EA account to YouTube. The first thing I want you to do is actually log into your YouTube account, and here I want you to come at the top right, click on your profile icon, and then when you get this drop down, I want you to come here and click on settings. That will redirect you to this page. Then here on the left hand panel, I want you to come and click on connected apps. Then from here, you'll see all the different apps. I want you to go ahead and look for electronic arts. So this will let you connect your EA account. You just need to come here and click on connect. And then I want you to click on connect again right here. And you can actually win rewards for doing this. So click on continue to connect both the accounts. And then all you need to do here is go ahead and sign into your EA account. You can use all of these options or just use your phone or email and enter your password. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.